Hello everyone, this is Joe Tompkins for Finmo. Today we're discussing the control center or brokerage control that you've been assigned in Finmo. Let's go ahead and take a look. Once one of our customer success people have set up your account to have control center access, you'll see this globe appear down here. It's called the control center. You simply click on it and then it's going to give you the view of your brokerage. It's going to have brokerage name here, brokerage owner, and how many teams in your brokerage. So if we go ahead and look at my brokerage, you'll see all the deals. Every deal in your brokerage you'll be able to view right here. If you click back and you click on the team count, you will see every team assigned, who has the most active users, etc. And then here in the general settings, you'll see the brokerage name, my brokerage, the brokerage owner. Again, teams, and then brokerage managers. So you'll see who on and inside your brokerage will be able to come in here and view the deals. So now if you want to go ahead and jump back to your control center and you want to add a team in here, you can simply do that. You click on the teams and then you can add new team. Enter the team name, the name, and create a team. You can also search for an existing team and add it that way. So here we are. This is the Brokerage Control Center. Very easy to use. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@finmo.ca or of course via the intercom right down here and ask any one of our team members what you need help with. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day.